Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the 5 best meme coins according to the roadmap and their project. If you are interested in buying meme coins, so make sure watch this video, because in this video you will find the best and the strongest project of meme coins. However, there are lots of shit coins, many meme coins, but which one is the best one? So I'm going to tell you inside this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about cryptocurrency, mining, trading, so make sure subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. So there are lots of meme coins, lots of shit coins, and you know nowadays these meme coins are giving lots of profit to the users. If we check top memes tokens by market capitalization, the overall market cap of meme coins are 32 billion and the daily volume is 1.8 billion. So this is all the meme coins according to the market capitalization. You can check Dogecoin is at first position, Shiba Inu second position, Doge Elon Musk third position. So this is all the meme coins, all the shit coins. You can see some of the meme coins prices about $1. Some of them having 4 zeros, 5 zeros, even 8 zeros, 13 zeros. So this is all the meme coins. As you know, meme coins are very risky because some of the meme coins projects are not that much good. But in this video, I'm going to show you 5 best meme coins that projects are very strong, and then I will show you according to the roadmap. So I will tell you the roadmap of each meme coins, and then you can decide whether to buy this token or no. I'm not a financial advisor. Anyhow, if I miss any of the meme coins, so tell me in the comment section, so I should make a new video about that cryptocurrency. You can check in here. If we scroll down, so there are lots of meme coins and you can check it one by one. If you want to know which cryptocurrency or which meme coins are having the strongest project, simply check its white paper. Check the white paper, the developers detail, and then each and everything. But most of the details are just written in white paper. You will get everything about the meme coins, and then you can decide whether to invest or no. So in here you can check lots of meme coins, lots of shit coins. But now one by one, let's check the top 5 meme coins according to the roadmap, according to the project. So according to my research, the first one is Baby Dogecoin. You know Baby Dogecoin is the strongest community meme coin. And if I show you the holders, you can check. We are near to 1.5 million holders. For now 1.4 million holders, but we are near to reach 1.5 million holders. Baby Dogecoin is one of the strongest community meme coins among all meme coins. The current price is 0.8 times zeros 3267. In 24 hours the price dropped 2.75%. So in coinmarketcap.com, the market cap is not confirmed, and then you can check circulating supply is not confirmed. Now let's check the roadmap of this token. This is the white paper of Baby Dogecoin. If you want to check it from A to Z, so I just recommend you to check this white paper. But now this is the roadmap of Baby Dogecoin. Phase 1 is already completed. You can check website launch, 5,000 Telegram members, meme. So I recommend you to check it yourself, but only I will tell you the main roadmap of this token. So first of all, you can check in here. They are going to launch its own credit card for crypto live on our website. Using the credit card, you can buy Baby Dogecoin. You can buy any cryptocurrency using your credit card. So they are going to launch it in the future. And then if you check phase 4, in here you can check Baby Doge Swap. It means they are going to launch its own decentralized exchange, as we have Shiba Swap. So the same thing, Baby Dogecoin is going to launch their own decentralized exchange where you can swap, where you can buy and sell any cryptocurrency. And then if we check Baby Dogecoin POW Wallet Growth Tracker, they are going to launch its own Baby Dogecoin POW where they can track the wallet growth. The wallet growth they are going to track with this Baby Doge Pow. And then if we check the phase 5 in here, release NFT marketplace, NFT collection, and game for Baby Doge. That means that they are going to launch NFT marketplace on the decentralized exchange, and then we can see NFT collection, at last game for Baby Doge. It means they are going to launch their game also. And then release Baby Doge Swap. Also they are releasing Baby Doge Swap on phase 5. So this is the main roadmap of Baby Dogecoin. Check this white paper from A to Z yourself, and then you will get which meme coins having the strongest project, which meme coins roadmap is the best. The second one is Doge Dash. The current price is 0.3 times zeros 2447. In one day the price dropped 3.61%. The market cap is 13 million and the daily volume is 92,000. So this token is on Binance Smart Chain. If we check the holders, so overall the holders are 96,000. Doge Dash is also one of the best meme coins according to the roadmap, according to the project. If we check its roadmap in here, you can see this is the white paper. You can check it yourself. If you check Doge Dash white paper, so you will be in love, because there are many things that are going to launch in future for Doge Dash holders. So first of all, they are in 2021. They just launched their token, and then game, NFT collection, exchange listing. 2021 is already completed. You can find the game on Android mobile application and iPhone mobile. So Q1 2022, what they are going to launch? Fate on Ramp, and then we have Trust Wallet integration, Leaderboard, NFT integration, mobile application monetization. Q2 2022, their Doge Dash 3D NFT is going to launch, 3D NFT collection and their NFT marketplace. In Q3 2022, they are going to launch Dogecoin game, called NFTs, cross-chain integration. Q4 2022, Sandbox Metaverse Doge Vault. It means this project will enter into Metaverse on Q4 2022. Beside that, a new game will going to launch, Dogecoin game, their NFT is going to launch, and then 3D NFTs. So this is the second best meme coins according to the project, according to the roadmap. Okay, the third one is Shibnobi token. I love this meme coin. I love this project because they are going to enter into Metaverse, their Kusari blockchain, Katana wallet, their Dojo swap. So these things make this project strong. So if you check here, the current price is 0.14 times zeros 8557. In 24 hours the price dropped 0.69%. So there is no any market cap detail. The volume is 4.2 million and this token is on Ethereum network. But if you check the holders, overall the holders are near to 61,000. Now let's check its white paper, the roadmap of Shibnobi token. As you know, I'm holding. If you check the roadmap of Shibnobi token, so you can check it yourself, but I will only tell you about phase 3 and phase 4. So phase 3 you can check. Apply for listing on coinmarketcap.com, CoinGecko, exchange listing. Phase 4, launch Shibnobi swap. Near to what I think before 17 March, they are going to launch its own decentralized exchange, Dojo Swap. And then we can see Katana wallet. Their wallet is also coming, their blockchain, its own blockchain. Kusari blockchain is also coming in 2022. In 2023, Shibnobi token will enter into Metaverse with the name of Dojoverse. So this is the main part of this roadmap, and these things just make this project very strong because their decentralized exchange, even their NFT is also coming, and then their wallet, blockchain, and then Metaverse. So the third one is Shibnobi token. If you are thinking to buy it, so I recommend you to buy this token about only $5, $10. So the fourth one is Kishu Inu. Kishu Inu is also one of the best meme coin and the current price is 0.8 times zeros 157. In one day the price dropped 5%. The market cap is 151 million and the daily volume is 2.5 million. So this token is on Ethereum network. If we check their holders, So the total holders are 254,000. 254,000. And then if we check its white paper, the roadmap, so you can check. Phase 1 is already completed. Phase 2 is what I think also completed. And phase 3, expansion. So they are going to launch its own decentralized exchange. You can check here, decentralized exchange. They are going to launch whether in 2022, the date is not confirmed, whether the date is not written inside the white paper. So they are going to launch KishuSwap, their decentralized exchange. And then we have phase 4, listing on nowpayments.io, listing on shopping.io, and then they are going to launch its own NFT marketplace, their KishuPow print wallet tracker where they can track their all holders, what I think. And then we have KishuSwap, non-profit real life merchandise store where you can buy all the Kishu product means there will be shirt, cup, and many more things. The picture of or the logo of Kishu Inu will be on the product, so you can buy this all products from the merchandise store. And then we have 3 more centralized listing. So this is the roadmap of Kishu Inu. The main thing inside this roadmap I just explained you. So I hope you will check it yourself. Check it from A to Z because there are total 9 pages. So check it yourself and you will get more idea about Kishu Inu, the meme coin. Okay, the last one is Zombie Inu. Zombie Inu current price is 0.7 times zeros 5437. In one day the price dropped 4%. So this token is on Ethereum network, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. And you can find the different network holders. So first of all, if we check, this is the holders in Ethereum, 30,000, near to 40,000. In Binance Smart Chain there are 21,000 holders, and on Polygon there are what I think about 115 or 200 holders. So now if we check the white paper, so this is the white paper of Zombie Inu. Make sure to check it yourself. We can say this is the roadmap of this token because the trading tools, everything is explained in here. Bright staking, their swap is coming, limit boot, and then we have social platform, NFTs, gaming, global brand. But I will show you the roadmap here if we check it. So this is the roadmap of Zombie Inu. Those tags that are with yellow color, it is completed already. So now in here if we check viral campaign, and then we have let me tell you 10,000 one of a kind NFT drop. So Zombie Inu 10,000 3D NFT we're going to launch on 23 March 2022. And then we have a launch NFT marketplace. They are going to launch its own NFT marketplace. And then we have Zenu wallet. Their wallet is also coming. Zenu NFTs play to earn game. They are going to launch its own game where you can play the game and you can earn reward. And then website version 3. So they are going to launch its own decentralized exchange. They are going to launch its own decentralized exchange. And what I think, Zombie Inu will enter into metaverse. The date is not confirmed. Now this is the roadmap of Zombie Inu that make this project, that make this cryptocurrency very strong. The project is now strong because their 3D NFT is coming, and then many more things are coming in 2022. So this was all about 5 best meme coins according to the roadmap and project. I hope you understand this video. If I missed any of cryptocurrency, any of meme coins, so please tell me in the comment section. I will talk about that cryptocurrency, that meme coins in next video. And then smash the like button to a new all-time high. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this 5 meme coins? Give me your idea. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.